Imagine, for a moment, you're a hunter-gatherer in ancient Mesopotamia. You stumble upon a vine laden with clusters of small, round fruits, the first grapes. The sweetness of these fruits would have been a delightful discovery, a natural treat in a world without refined sugars. But it's not just their taste that made these fruits special. Long before the science of nutrition, ancient civilizations recognized the healing potential of grapes. The Egyptians, for example, were known to use grape extracts for their medicinal properties. These extracts were used as remedies for a variety of ailments, from digestive issues to skin problems. This was the first inkling of the health benefits of grapes, a discovery that would echo through the ages. These early societies appreciated the value of grapes not only as a food source, but also as a healing agent. Their understanding of the fruit's benefits laid the groundwork for the medicinal uses we know today. These ancient civilizations knew something special about grapes, harnessing their healing properties for the betterment of their societies. As time went on, the medicinal benefits of grapes did not fade into obscurity. Rather, they became more prominent and diversified. Let's take a trip back in time to the period of the Greeks and Romans, where the sweet nectar of grapes, wine, was more than just a cherished libation. It was an essential part of their medicinal armory, often used as an antiseptic. Yes, you heard that right. With its high alcohol content, wine was used to cleanse wounds and prevent infections, showcasing the first known medicinal use of grapes. Fast forward to the medieval times, the humble grape juice stepped into the spotlight. Physicians of the era found it to be a handy treatment for various skin and eye diseases. This was largely due to grapes' rich antioxidant content, which could fight free radicals and promote healing. But the medicinal journey of grapes doesn't end in Europe. Far to the east, in the ancient practice of traditional Chinese medicine, grapes were revered for their cooling properties. They were used to treat ailments related to overheating of the body, such as fatigue and thirst. Grapes were also believed to stimulate the flow of vital energy, or qi, through the liver. Meanwhile, in the Indian subcontinent, Ayurveda, the age-old system of holistic healing, recognized the therapeutic benefits of grapes. Grapes were considered a tridoshic fruit, meaning they could balance all three doshas or bodily energies, vata, pitta, and kapha. This made them a versatile remedy for a range of health issues, from digestive disorders to heart ailments. As we journey through the ages, it's clear that the healing power of grapes transcends cultures and centuries. This humble fruit, enjoyed across the globe, has proven time and again its potent medicinal properties. Whether in the form of wine, juice, or the fruit itself, grapes have offered a natural solution to many health challenges. From the ancient to the medieval times, grapes have proven to be a potent source of healing and wellness. And as we delve further into their benefits in the next scenes, you'll see that their power extends into the modern day, continuing to be a beacon of health and wellness. Fast forward to the 21st century, and scientific research has only solidified what our ancestors knew by intuition. Today, we delve into the remarkable health benefits of grapes, underpinned by contemporary scientific findings. Grapes, these small spherical delights, are veritable powerhouses of health. They are bursting with antioxidants, those wonderful molecules that combat harmful free radicals in our bodies. Indeed, grapes are one of the most antioxidant-rich fruits, helping to protect our cells from damage and slow down the aging process. But that's not all. Grapes are also friends of our heart. They contain compounds that help to relax blood vessels, improving blood flow and supporting overall heart health. With heart disease being a leading cause of death worldwide, incorporating grapes into our diet could go a long way in supporting our cardiovascular health. And let's not forget about the potential of grapes to fight the big C, cancer. While more research is needed, some studies suggest that the compounds found in grapes could help to reduce the risk of certain types of cancer. Lastly, we must mention resveratrol, a compound found in grape skins. This potent antioxidant has been linked to a plethora of health benefits, from anti-aging effects to supporting brain health. Indeed, the humble grape, a fruit of antiquity, remains a beacon of health and wellness in our modern world. So the next time you enjoy a bunch of grapes, remember the incredible health benefits packed into each tiny, juicy orb. From an ancient discovery to a modern health powerhouse, grapes have woven their way through the fabric of human health. We've unwrapped a journey that spanned centuries, showing how these tiny fruits have consistently held their ground as a staple in wellness. Today, they sit among the top tier of healthful foods, offering a bounty of benefits. It's clear that incorporating grapes into your diet can be a simple yet powerful step towards better health. Be sure to subscribe for more health tips and like and share the video. Be sure to check out our next video, The Healing Wonders of Pineapples.